guys, welcome to Nifty World. I'm Becks. I am the founder of Nifty World, and it has been a hot minute since I was last on here. Now, the reason for that, I wanted to kind of explain in this video. It's not a long video, it's just a short video, but I wanted to kind of come back with a proper focus and back with a bang, really. I've taken some time off because I've had a little baby, and I've been looking at how things have changed in the world of Web3 and how that affects my life as a new mum, as a new way of working, and as a new way of bringing fantastic content to you guys here at home. So I hope you don't mind the hiatus, but I think it's been worth it. I've had a real look at what everything Web3 and AI has to offer, and I don't want to talk to you just about NFTs because I think there's so much more than just NFTs out there that is really going to make your life bigger and better as emerging tech really takes hold. So it's the same old education, it's the same old me, it's a new focus when it comes to what I'm going to be talking about, and it's a slight shift to make it a bit more inclusive for everyone. So as much fun as I had with NFTs, if you guys want to go right back to the beginning and watch those videos, please do. There's some fantastic interviews on there. There's some brilliant tutorials on how to do certain things, and they're all still very much relevant. But the journey that I'm going to take you on now is into the world of Web3, deep diving into what that's going to do for you and also for future generations of your family as well. So thank you for those who have stuck with me. I'm sorry it's taken a while for me to get back, but now I've got an 8-month-old little girl. I am all about how Web3, AI, emerging tech in general is going to be able to really provide an incredible future for her. And as I take my journey throughout this, I'm obviously going to take you guys with me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the next set of videos. Please do stay in touch. Keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing, tell your friends. I'm still here, I'm not going anywhere, but I am back.